To me, I feel Heritage Garden City is just like a small world on earth.
I feel like Heritage Garden City is the next position for real estate investors.
So about our realtors, they are really putting effort in everything they are doing, and it has been a fantastic one with them.
From the departments that I hold, I would confidently say that realtors are so pleased with Elite Pillar service, the project, and the brand itself. You would hear realtors saying they want to stick with the brand forever.
A lot of things I hear from our clients and our partners is that we're actually doing what we promise that we are going to do. We are bringing dreams into reality. You know, 15 months ago when we launched this project, we showed everybody the 3D image of the layout and gate house. So most client doubts why some kid into it.
Yeah, I just want to say a very big thank you to our realtors and our clients. I want to deeply appreciate them for all the efforts in pushing our project and seeing value. It's one thing to see a company and trust a company fully. I just want to say thank you to all our amazing clients and future clients. Thank you so much for doing business with Elite Villa. We really appreciate you. And to our amazing realtors, thank you so much. We value your push. We value everything you do daily. We see it and we appreciate you. Thank you so much.